Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money quickly but couldn't get it? Maybe you're traveling and need to pay for a hotel room, or maybe you're having a financial emergency at home. If so, then you'll be interested in learning about Deel Instant Card Transfer. In this video, I'm going to explain what Deel Instant Card Transfer is, how it works, and the benefits of using it. I'll also discuss some of the drawbacks of Deel Instant Card Transfer and provide some tips for using it safely. What is Deel Instant Card Transfer? Deel Instant Card Transfer is a service that allows you to send money to someone's Deel card instantly. Deel cards are prepaid debit cards that can be used anywhere in the world. They're a great way to send money to friends and family, or to pay for goods and services online. How does Deel Instant Card Transfer work? To use Deel Instant Card Transfer, you'll need to create a Deel account. Once you have an account, you can add funds to your account using a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Once your funds are available, you can send them to someone's Deel card instantly. Benefits of using Deel Instant Card Transfer. There are a number of benefits to using Deel Instant Card Transfer. It's fast. Deel Instant Card Transfers are typically completed within minutes. It's secure. Deel uses advanced security measures to protect your funds. It's affordable. Deel charges a low fee for each instant card transfer. It's easy to use. The Deel app is easy to navigate and use. Drawbacks of using Deel Instant Card Transfer. There are also a few drawbacks to using Deel Instant Card Transfer. It's not available in all countries. Deel Instant Card Transfer is only available in a limited number of countries. There are fees associated with using it. Deel charges a fee for each instant card transfer. You need to have a Deel account. In order to use Deel Instant Card Transfer, you need to create a Deel account. Tips for using Deel Instant Card Transfer safely. Here are a few tips for using Deel Instant Card Transfer safely. Only send money to people you trust. Deel Instant Card Transfers are irreversible, so you should only send money to people you know and trust. Be careful when entering recipient information. Make sure to double-check the recipient's name and card number before sending any money. Monitor your account regularly. Keep an eye on your Deel account balance and activity to ensure that your funds are safe. Deel Instant Card Transfer is a great way to send money quickly and securely. It's a convenient and affordable option that can be used for a variety of purposes. However, it's important to be aware of the drawbacks of using Deel Instant Card Transfer before you decide to use it. If you're interested in learning more about Deel Instant Card Transfer, please visit the Deel website. You can also sign up for a free Deel account to start using the service today. Thank you for watching this video about Deel Instant Card Transfer. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.